Good quality isn't a feature, it's a foundation. Here at Northline, we've mastered quality and sustainability. Our lures are built to outlast the competition. Better longevity means fewer replacements and fewer plastics left behind in the places that we fish. At Northline, we design our lures to be tough, consistent, and biodegradable. Crafted by hand, built to perform. Our gear is built to last, bite-proof and tangle-proof, so less ends up in the water and more stays where it belongs, in your tackle box. When you fish at Northline, you're not just chasing the next bite, you're chasing premium quality with a good price. Choosing Northline means choosing gear you can trust, quality you can see, performance you can depend on, cast after cast. Northline, the compass to your next catch.